on. Today I'm going to be doing a video about my new toy. And here it is. It's like this purse phone thing. That's the purse. And it comes with cards. And here is the phone. This is the phone. This is the purse. And here are the 2 shopping carts. First, we're going to open up the purse and put these 2 cards in it. This card goes in, and then the pink one goes in. And then I'll close the purse. And then we are going to put this little hook in. This is supposed to go on you, but I do not know how. Ooh, this is how it goes. Connects with this. I need help. There. And this is the purse. And this purse turns into like a place to keep your phone. Wait 1 minute. Let me take this off me. Get this. There we go. Now we will put it in. There is the phone in the phone case. And then we flip it over and it turns into that. And then you put this on you. And you put it in. Pop. And then we're going to put this first on me. Flip this thing over. Put the purse on this way. And then you can walk all around with it. And that's it.